You're watching Lessons in Leadership, exclusively on CBT News. Here now is Dave Anderson.
Let's talk about the 21 traits of a high-performing business culture. We are on trait 5, going through them one at a time. If you missed any of the others, go back and catch up. Here is the 5th trait. High-performance business cultures celebrate excellence, and they weed out the weak. Now, if you're a weak performer, doesn't mean you're a bad person, doesn't even mean we're right and you're wrong. It probably just means you're a bad, wrong fit for this organization and where we're going. So we've got to get you better, or we've got to get someone who is better to fill that role. But we've got to celebrate excellence more. And too often we celebrate mediocrity. We spend 80% of our time with the bottom 20% of our people, trying to elevate the miserable up to mediocre. And what we're telling our best people, the people who bring it every day, is once you get really good, what you can expect in return from me is less time and attention. Because I'm going to be down here on another rescue mission, hugging and burping and nursing and begging and bribing 5-car Fred, trying to talk him into 6 so he can have a record month. And it's the wrong message to send. Eagles want to work where there are eagles. And so don't weaken the strong to strengthen the weak. Give your best to the best and less to the rest. That's what you'll find in high-performance business cultures.
You can see the entire series of Dave Anderson's Lessons in Leadership right here at cbtnews.com. And be sure to check out Dave's book, Elevate Your Excellence, available on Amazon or at LearnToLead.com. Thanks for watching.